Hello, welcome to another episode of Fix It Tony. Today I am going to be replacing a hood strut on my 1994 Mercedes C280 W202 chassis M104 engine. The hood strut is the little shock absorber that helps to keep the hood up. And the hood doesn't want to stay supported, so I think it's a bad strut. So I'm going to replace it. And what I want to do is show you a detail on how I'm going to be removing the strut. Now, it might be easier to show you using the new one. So you're going to see, focus, that it's got this sort of clip mechanism, all right? And this little clip right here has a little bit of a little turn to it. That's sitting in a groove on the shaft in the hood. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to stick a small bladed flat screwdriver and I'm gonna stick it in between the top here, and I'm going to turn upward, and that's going to raise this tab. You can see how it's raising the tab to allow me to then pop this off, all right? It should be pretty straightforward. There isn't anything securing the bottom of the suspension. It's just a plastic peg sitting in a hole. So as the weight of the hood comes down, let's see if I can do this. Pretty hard. So this new one's really going to work well. And so it shouldn't take very long. All right, see you in a bit. All right, so let me show you where my pump is. Yeah, you can see the strut. And it's pretty weak when the temperature gets cold. And I have to pry up on that little top metal piece and flick it out. So let's try it. Need to get a screwdriver. The space is tight. I think I need to get a longer bladed screwdriver to allow me to get in from this angle in order to lift up this top tab. I'm gonna zoom in there for you and you can watch me. I did end up bending that back. This is the same company, Stabilis, originally makes it. This was made in Germany. So it's just gonna go in that way. So I'll go get the new one. So here's the new one. This has to be the outside. You can see the little groove there. That little groove is what's going to receive, it's going to receive this little metal tab right there. So I'm going to have to stick it in just like that. Find the hole. I'm going to get some pliers for this. should be able to just pinch this in with my needle nose pliers. There, that's in. So we close the hood. Oh, nice. This has a nice, it actually pushes the hood up. Oh, that's beautiful. That never happened before. So the question is there another one on this side? There is another one on this side. And I did order a second one, so I will be replacing this in pairs. Nice. See how that just springs up? Oh, that never did that before. This, in cold temperatures, this hood fell and would never stay up at the highest level. So this is perfect. I'll do the same thing to that side, and I'll be replacing both.